A group of high school graduates in war-ravaged Ukraine used damaged buildings and destroyed vehicles as a haunting backdrop for their graduation shots. Photographer told foreign media he had wanted to document the very important story of roughly 40 graduating seniors from schools in Chernihiv in northern Ukraine after witnessing the first-hand horrors of the war now in its fourth month. "And I'm sure it was very important to capture that in the memory," he said. "And 10 to 15 years from now, when they have their own children, they can show those pictures to them." One chilling photo showed a group of students huddled atop a tank, looking out with stoic faces with graduation sashes across their chests. Showed a group of girls standing in a blown-out building, with others looking down from decimated floors above. "Seeing it in person is a special feeling that cannot be described," Senik told Reuters. "But I was dominated by a different feeling. I saw the children who were there and it was like some kind of surrealism going on." One of the students, Olha Baby Nets, 17, said she enjoyed the photo shoot, even if it was very difficult for everyone involved.